Thank you for watching a Cat Science Club science activity video. Cat Science Club is an organization based out of the Toledo, Ohio area. Our goal is to bring activities, science camps, and science videos such as these to children in our area. We were founded by and we partner with educators in order to bring science to elementary students in fun and exciting ways. Our goal is that all students will remain engaged in science throughout their years in school. Like and subscribe and follow us on social media to help us with our mission. You will also be updated every time we post about our fun science activities. If you're interested in learning more about Cat Science Club, check us out online at catscienceclub.com. Thank you again for watching and enjoy your science activities. For today's science activity, we're going to be doing the disappearing peanuts, or really packing peanuts. What you'll need for this is water, a bowl, and biodegradable packing peanuts. If you don't know if your packing peanuts are biodegradable, you're about to find out. First, fill your bowl up with water. Then start off with putting one packing peanut in the water. You'll see how it slowly dissolves. Now add another, or maybe another. If you push this down in the water, only halfway, you can see that it's started to dissolve already. It's becoming hollow. These packing peanuts are biodegradable. Now let's add a couple more packing peanuts and see what happens. Now maybe add some more water to see if this could affect the peanuts. Over time, the packing peanuts dissolve in the water until they're almost nothing. But wait, how does this all work? Well, biodegradable packing peanuts are made out of materials such as corn, wheat, and potato starch. When these materials are exposed to water, naturally occurring bacteria feeds on the starch. This causes the packing peanuts to dissolve. This shows how packing peanuts, an alternative to styrofoam, are extremely beneficial for the environment. Styrofoam can stay in the earth for millions of years, while these alternatives will simply disappear once exposed to water. Like and subscribe for more science videos. Also, follow us on social media to be updated every time we post about our fun science activities.